Hi, this is Felina again and welcome to day 1 of my e-course 30 life-changing habits. Today we're going to get started by integrating the habit of decluttering on a regular basis into our lives. It will not only help to keep your working or living space clear, but I think you'll find that once your mind is clear, you can better focus on things that are important to you. First, you need to know why you're decluttering for it to be effective. One reason might be that you want to help process past events or things, people in your life. So why not use this opportunity to get rid of things, thoughts, memories, grievances that you no longer need in your life. You could do this by asking yourself, is this serving me? Is it still relevant in my life? Are my thoughts about this surrounded in negativity, regret, anger, or are they happy thoughts? That will give you a clear indication. You can also use decluttering to help look at your patterns, and related questions with this could be, for example, what sorts of things do I collect? Am I organized and put everything back in place once I've finished with it? Do I often waste time looking for keys, phones, etc.? A third question you could ask yourself in relation to decluttering is, what do you actually want to declutter? Have a look at your surroundings, your relationships, your emotional baggage, your health. You'll find the indications there if you look enough. Once you've taken the time to actually look at these questions, you'll get the indication, and then you need to just get started. Don't put it off for another day again, just get started right away. And here are a few ideas of how you could get started. You could do a quick declutter challenge. This, I think, is always a fun way to declutter, which you can either do alone, with your family, with friends, or even in a group at work or whatever. What you do is you set a time limit for the declutter session, and then you aim to find 10 things in each of 3 categories, which could be 10 things to donate, 10 things to throw away, or 10 things to replace. And the person who has found the 10 things for each category at the end of the time that you've set gets a reward. But please, it's probably wise to decide in advance what the reward is going to be, so there are no arguments. Another way could be to replace 10 or 6 things before going to bed every evening. Or a third one could be to put away at least 5 things before you leave home in the morning. Another idea might be to go through each room in your house one by one, pick up 10 things and ask yourself, do I really need this? If the answer is no, then get rid of it straight away. Don't wait, just get rid of it if you don't need it. Make sure you have some fun while you're doing this, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 2 of our e-course. Bye.